Hello and welcome back to the Music Educator channel, your one-stop shop for all things music education. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every aspiring music educator out there: the importance of building professional connections and the habits that can help you do so. As a student teacher in music education, you're not just learning to teach music, you're also becoming part of a vibrant global community of music educators. Building professional connections within this community is not just about networking. It's about learning from others, sharing your own insights, and growing as an educator. Let's talk about the benefits first. Having a strong professional network can open doors to opportunities that you might not even know exist. It can lead to collaborations, job offers, and even friendships. Plus, it gives you a group of people who understand the unique challenges and joys of teaching music. So how do you build these connections? It starts with developing good habits. 1. Be active in the community. Attend conferences, join professional organizations, participate in online forums, and contribute to discussions. 2. Be open to learning. Every interaction is a chance to learn something new. Be open to new ideas and perspectives, and don't be afraid to ask questions. 3. Share your insights. Don't just take in information. Share your own experiences and insights. Your unique perspective is valuable to others. 4. Follow up. When you meet someone new, follow up with them. A quick email or message can go a long way in building a lasting connection. Remember, building professional connections is a journey, not a destination. So start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Your network of professional connections is a reflection of your commitment to your growth and development as a music educator. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more music education content. Until next time, keep learning, keep teaching, and keep connecting.